are now popular in the world. The thickness of ultra-thin condom is 0.045 mm to 0.05 mm. The normal thickness is 0.06. So ultra-thin condom is about 70% of normal condom. We have 3 pieces in one box and 12 in a box. The package is in a small ball package. You can put more lubricating oil in this kind of package. We have been producing condoms more than 25 years. We have all different kinds of condom. If you want to have the price, please inquire us. We would like to quote you the best price. We have CE certification, ISO certification.